Light is a special kind of energy that helps us see things around us. It comes from sources like the sun or light bulbs, and when it bounces off objects and enters our eyes, it lets us know what's there. We see light with our eyes. When light from things like the sun or a lamp goes into our eyes, it helps us see colors, shapes, and everything around us. Light enters our eyes through the pupils. Inside our eyes, there are special parts called retinas that capture the light and send messages to our brain, allowing us to see the world around us. Transparent means you can see right through it, like a clear window or a glass of water. If something is transparent, light can easily pass through, and you can see everything on the other side. Opaque means you can't see through it at all, like a wall that you can't see what's behind. If something is opaque, no light can pass through, and it's not see-through. Translucent is like a little bit of see-through, not completely clear, but you can still see some light through it. Imagine a curtain that lets some sunlight through, but still gives you privacy. That's something translucent. Light reflects when it bounces off surfaces, like a ball bouncing off a wall. When you see your reflection in a mirror, it's because the light from you bounces back to your eyes, letting you see yourself. The smoother the object, the better the reflection. Light can bend or change direction when it passes through different things like glass or water. It's like when you look at a straw in a cup of water, and the straw seems a little bit bent because of how the light is bending as it goes through the water. Refraction is like magic for light. It's when light bends or changes direction as it goes through things like glass or water. Look at the straw in a glass of water. It looks a little bit bent because of how the light bends when it goes from the water into the air. A prism is like a magical shape that can split sunlight into all the colors of the rainbow. When sunlight goes through a prism, it bends or refracts, making different colors spread out. So a prism helps us see all the beautiful colors hidden in sunlight. It's like having a secret code that shows us the amazing colors that light can create. A concave lens is like a bowl-shaped piece of glass that makes things look smaller or farther away when we look through it. With concave lenses, nearsighted people see things more clearly. Concave lenses are also used in devices like microscopes and telescopes to enhance and focus the images we observe. A convex lens is a rounded piece of glass that makes things look bigger or closer when we look through it. We use convex lenses in eyeglasses to help far-sighted people see things more clearly. Convex lenses are also used in magnifying glasses to make small objects look bigger, and in cameras to focus and capture images. Ultraviolet light is a kind of sunlight that we can't see, but it's there. We can't see it with our eyes, but it can make some things, like white clothes, glow in the dark. When we spend too much time in the sun without sunscreen, the ultraviolet light can give us a sunburn, making our skin red and sore. Light is like a bright and colorful magic that helps us see things. It comes from the sun or lamps and makes everything visible and fun.